Oh my god, you guys, there's a freaking frog on my car. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a frog on my freaking car. How am I gonna get in my car? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my car seat covers and how you can do it yourself. I have always wanted a car with red car seats. I finally have one and I did it myself. You can too. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the box that it comes in. I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to be using my key to do it because I have nothing else. Hopefully it works. This is what it looks like opened. That's the color. Yeah, it is like a bright red. It's not like a dark red, it's a bright red. I like that they're bright because, you know, they're really like eye-catching. So when you look inside of the car, you can see them. So if I had tinted windows, this color would really pop rather than the darker ones. So I like this color and I'm happy. At first I was like kind of skeptical. I'm like, it might be too bright. I see how it will work out. So I'm excited. Good thing I'm doing this near my trash can. So this is what it comes with. It comes with like 2 air fresheners and it comes with the instructions. I don't know, the back seats look kind of complicated. Like it's saying that I have to take the back seats out of the car. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. Alright guys, so this is looking kind of familiar from what I saw online with the reviews and stuff. The videos that I saw, it looks very familiar. Like it has these zippers in here that you unzip, and then it also has the things on the back, like on the sides too, and then it also comes with this. I didn't know this was separate, but apparently you have to put these on it, so I'm gonna go do that now. So I ended up putting these little things on here, but I don't think I did that right, so I'm going to look it up on my phone. So I figured it out. So basically you just have to put, you see how I did it like this? I just put one side. You have to put both sides. So you have to put one side in and then bring the other side around and then clip it that way. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna unzip the top, because I gotta put the head of the car seats through this side. So I just have to slide it on that way. So that's what I'm going to do now. Hopefully I'm not in the way. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm just sliding it on. It's almost like putting on a dress, but on your car seat. Pretty much. So you just have to slide it on. Can you guys see that? So that's what it's looking like so far. It looks kind of good so far. Let's see how this works out. So I'm going to finish and then I'm going to come back. So this is the front seat and the passenger seat. As you can see, they're on there. Like I was saying before, it's like you're putting on a dress. It has these zippers here. This is the bottom. And I'm going to go around to the back. And this is the back. This is what the back is looking like. I thought I had to take out the whole entire back seats. The way that they were made, these ones were made, it was like an easier way. I didn't have to take out the whole entire back seats, although I think I probably can do that and it will probably like fit better. This is the passenger side. In my opinion, I think that it looks like the car came like this. I'm gonna try to do like a shot this way. I don't know if you guys can see. I've had them on for a couple of weeks now, so this is what they look like. In my opinion, it looks like the car seat covers came with the car. Like I bought the car like this. I've been getting so many compliments on them. I apologize that I didn't get to do a full install video of me installing every car seat cover. That was because I thought I was gonna have a hard time doing them, but apparently they were pretty easy and pretty straightforward. There were some parts that I had to manipulate in order to get them to fit my car specifically, because you know, these car seat covers are universal. They're not tailor-made to a specific car, so you kind of have to make it your own, I feel like. But all in all, I have no complaints. I love them. Yeah. All right, everyone, so that is the end of this video, this review. If this was helpful, if you guys enjoyed it, please let me know. Leave a comment, give it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.